Four hoops hugging each other that figure unity, from four original companies that gave rise to Auto Union. Audi, Porsche, Wanderer and DKW. Here was born Audi. Continue watching to know the true history of Audi, as we know it today. The automotive company that marked a before and after in the automotive world, a company that went through difficulties before becoming the company it is today, which is valued at more than $66,878 billion. The success story presents the history of Audi. August Horch, one of the pioneers of the German automotive industry, founded the Horch Car Company in Germany in 1899, whose first car began to be driven on public roads in 1901. After some financial difficulties and internal disagreements, he decided to leave the company to create a new automobile factory. Thus was born the automobile company called August Horch & C. Motorwagenwerk AG, in Zwickau, 1909. As Horch lost the legal dispute over the name of the company, which was already registered earlier, so he could not use his surname again and chose the name Audi. Due to the suggestion of the son of one of the directors, which is the Latin translation of the German word, Horch, which in English means, hears, or listens. Therefore, months after its founding, the company's name was changed to Audi Automobilwerk. Back in 1932, both companies Audi and Horch, along with DKW and Wanderer, merged to form Auto Union AG and to cope with the difficulties arising from the Great Depression of 1929, which mainly affected the rationalization of production and assembly processes. On June 29, 1932, the Audi logo was born, with four interlocking rings, as a symbol resulting from the alliance of four Saxon brands, Audi, DKW, Horch and Wanderer. Audi became in 1933 the luxury car brand for the Nazi Party, together with Mercedes-Benz. Before the war, Auto Union was Germany's second-largest car manufacturer. To avoid competition within the group, each brand was assigned a specific market segment: mid-segment luxury cars for Audi, motorcycles and small cars for DKW, mid-size vehicles for Wanderer and luxury vehicles at the top of the range for Horch. In 1941, 2 years after the outbreak of World War II, Auto Union was producing exclusively vehicles for military use and automotive development was severely affected. At the end of the war, the administration of the Soviet occupation zone expropriated and ordered to dismantle all of the company's factories. 1965, the new DKW F102 model was launched on the market. It was the brand's first car with a four-stroke engine since after the war and the beginning of a new era. The brand therefore deserved a new name. Audi, a name steeped in tradition, had been reborn. In 1969, Volkswagenwerk AG succeeded in merging Auto Union GmbH and NSU Motorenwerk AG, based in Neckarsulm. The new company was called Audi NSU Auto Union AG and was headquartered in Neckarsulm. At the cutting edge of technology, the wide range of Audi NSU models, covering a wide variety of engines and driving concepts, led to the need for a new advertising slogan in 1971. Since then, this slogan has effectively formed the company's mission statement: at the cutting edge of technology. Quattro drive was based on a seemingly simple principle: the engine torque was to be transmitted to all four wheels. Audi engineers researched and worked on Quattro all-wheel drive, and finally, at the 1980 Geneva Motor Show, the Audi Quattro Sport Coupe was born. At first, this technology is applied in the world of competition, and successes, especially in rallies, do not take long to arrive. Audi takes advantage of the virtues of its system and begins to offer Quattro versions for street vehicles, so that in 1987 all models had at least one version with all-wheel drive. The Audi Quattro wins the World Rally Championship from 1982 to 1984. Audi 100 is the first to premiere an engine with denomination, TDI. In 1989, at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 1989, the Audi 100 TDI is presented, with a power plant of 2.5 liters with 120 horsepower, power. 2 years later, in 1991, a new engine was developed for the Audi 80 and Audi 100 models, which was a 4-cylinder 1.9 TDI with 90 horsepower. Although Audi was the major promoter of the direct-injection turbodiesel era, the application of these improvements in automotive diesel engines began in 1986, when the Fiat Croma with TDD designation became the first direct-injection turbodiesel car in the world. In the design of its models, Audi is independent of Volkswagen and also coordinates the model strategy of Seat, Bentley and Lamborghini. Today, Audi continues with its philosophy of, at the forefront of technology, and drives all its knowledge acquired in their cars. Undoubtedly, this path for the four companies being one after all these years, was really inspiring. Remember that this would not have been possible by the great persistence of a man who since childhood wanted to have his own car company, and being a pioneer managed to overcome all his goals. Thank you very much for watching. This was the history of Audi.